If ang target mo nga ay below 20,000 na monthly amortization through Pag-ibig Financing for a single attached or duplex unit located in an exclusive subdivision, maliit lang kaya hindi crowded at one bus ride lang to going to Manila via Cavitex, then para sa'yo nga si Triverde Rosa. Currently, meron pa tayong 200 up to 400,000 discount, free Meralco and water installation pero limited slots na lang ha, kaya for sure paunahan to. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido. Sobrang nagagandahan talaga ako sa unit na to. Tingnan mo naman, ground floor pa lang, sobrang spacious na. And yes, may available pa tayo na single attached and duplex unit and our minimum lot area is 80 square meters. May floor area ka na rin na 62 square meters. If ang target mo naman ay bigger lot katulad ng corner lot at end lot unit, may few units left pa tayo. Ang kagandahan pa dito, may option ka for complete or semi-complete finish turnover. At kung nagmamadali ka namang lumipat, meron din tayong ongoing construction or mga RFO units at mga pre-selling din. Estimated monthly amortization ay